Hi! For this video, we're gonna recall the concept of molarity. When you learned about solutions, especially, determining the concentration of your solutions, I'm sure you've met the term molarity. Molarity is one of the ways of expressing the concentration of your solutions, and molarity is defined as the quotient of the amount of solute in mole unit divided by the volume of the entire solution itself. So solution meaning you've got the solute and the solvent together, and the total volume has to be expressed in liter unit. So molarity is mole solute divided by liter of solution. So therefore, when you solve for molarity, you're going to get a unit of mole per liter, or shall we call that molar. So if you meet the unit big letter M, that means mole per liter. And the mole always comes from the amount of solute, and that has to be obviously in mole. And the volume of the solution in the denominator has to be in liter. So you make necessary conversion if ever the units are not what it is supposed to be required in the formula. So let me show you some of the sample problems involving molarity. So this first sample problem is sodium chloride solution. So you've got 0.32 moles of your solute NaCl in 3.4 liters of solution. So because you got the units that you need, and so all you need to do is substitute them right away in the formula of moles solute divided by liters of solution. So therefore, you got 0.32 divided by 3.4 liter. So you get 0.094 molar of sodium chloride. So this is a very simple calculation of molarity. And the last example I'm going to show you is what are you going to do if you're given the amount, but this time it is in grams or in mass. So what's the molarity of your solution if you made it by dissolving 2.5 grams of NaCl in enough water to make 125 ml of the solution? So you see, two units are not really compatible, the gram and the ml. So let's do it one at a time because we know that it should be in mole and the volume has to be in liter. So to recall, in order for you to convert your mass to mole, you need to have what you call the molar mass of your solute. So this, in this case, your solute is NaCl. So you need to look at the periodic table for the mass of Na and the mass of chlorine together, one each. So you get the total, you get 58.5 grams. And that 58.5 grams will be the will be divided, or the 2.5 grams will be divided by that molar mass equivalent. So 2.5 grams divided by 58.5 grams will give you 0.0427 mole of your NaCl. So this, or using the molar mass, you can get the mole amount. And then lastly, for your liter of solution, of course, in order for you to convert an ml to liter, all you need to do is divide your ml by 1000 in order for you to accurately get the correct unit in liter. So in this case, 125 divided by 1000, you get 0.125 liter. So you divide all the right values now, and so you will get finally the molarity. 0.32, 0.34, molar of sodium chloride solution. So these are just a glimpse of molarity. Now I want you to watch the next video on how we can apply this when we calculate for the equilibrium constant. So let me stop here and see you next time. This is Madam Narca saying don't stop learning, relearning, and unlearning. I hope this short video helped you. God bless you. Bye.